So basically, once you have cleaned up the old firewall pad, the glue and everything else, you have scuffed everything nicely, you can start lining up the new firewall pad on your 280 SL. So basically, I recommend that you pre-fit the new firewall pad, and if you have to make your markings, go ahead, just like as you can see we did here and here for the grommets. So pre-fit everything, make sure that everything is lined up nicely, and then you'll be ready to install the new firewall pad. So here, since we have not removed all the cables and the wires, in order to be able to fit this properly without having an issue, I do recommend that you make a small cut over here. So we're going to show you right now what we recommend doing right here for better and easy access. So here we go. We have made a small, very small cut right here at the bottom that will allow us to pre-install without having to remove all the wires. On the back of the firewall pad, you will see there is a piece that you can remove. This is the adhesive part of it, so we're going to show you. It's as simple as this, and then you'll be ready to install it. So here we are now, we are ready to pre-install the firewall pad carefully, and we're going to line it up with the markings that we made, and then we are ready to put it in place in its permanent location. Alright, so the right side is already in place, so perfectly fitted. Now we're gonna go ahead and tackle the left side. One thing that you need to be aware is to try and remove as much as you can before installing the firewall pad. For example, we have here the hood latch release cable that we disconnected, and this was a great opportunity at the same time to actually install the new rubber grommets, and we will install these two right here later on. But try to have everything ready and basically cleared out in order to have a nice fit and a great installation for a better results. Il y avait aucun as, que de l'amour et chaque jour une dose de courage. Aucune médaille pour nous, le seul reçoivent les hommages. On veut pas de médaille, parce qu'on n'est pas parfait.